Okay guys, just shut down your laptop. So you need a T8 to remove all the bottom screws. Okay, so disconnect your battery. Okay, I don't think that's gonna work unless I lift it up slightly. Not enough space. Okay, so for your battery, that's the model number you're looking for one.